This video guide is about removing the ransomware type threat called 1K3PL. The ransomware encrypts the files and adds a special extension to them, and the extension is called 1K3PL. So you should be very careful with this particular ransomware. Of course, you need to have a proper protection of your files from being damaged by any sorts of ransomware. Unfortunately, there are some security programs that claim to be effective, but they actually fail to protect the system. So before the ransomware attack, customers are able to open their files without any problems at all. They can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. It's really sad that the ransomware can be easily injected into the system, so pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages them. So then it is not possible to use the files. The ransomware adds a special 1K3PL extension to the files after encrypting them. And then the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, does not guarantee that the files would be recovered. So we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. As you can now clearly see, it is impossible to open the files that people have on their computers after the ransomware attack. The ransomware adds this special extension, 1K3PL, to the files, and it also gives this scary message instructing the victims to pay the ransom. Once again, do not pay the ransom. This does not guarantee the file recovery. What we recommend you to do is to immediately download the special tool that will help you to effectively detect and remove this ransomware type threat. We recommend you to go to the page combocleaner.com in order to download Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware. That will help you to locate this ransomware on your computer and to remove it effectively from your system. So once again, the page is combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching your device with its help. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database. After that, it will begin scanning and researching your system. The trial version of Combo Cleaner does not have the anti-ransomware tool. This feature is only the part of the premium license. It allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will be always protected against ransomware attacks in the future. So at the end of the scan, you will see the complete summary of threats found during the scan. You will be able to know their exact location on your device. You may remove these threats manually based on this data about their locations, but we advise you to remove them automatically with the premium license of the program, and this way your data will always be protected in the future.